My favorite tool when I'm making a photo book is the little Organize button. It's a small little arrow in the corner of your screen you might not have seen before. It's kind of a little bit hidden. And when you click on that button, it unlocks a whole bunch of features that I find really helpful when I'm making my book. Let me show it to you. So here we are on a project I'm busy with. Here's my favorite feature. If I hover over this, it says Organize Pages. Yes, please. And what you get is a beautiful layout of all the pages in your book. And there's a few things you can do here. First of all, you can pick up any picture and reorder it. So for example, I've got the boys getting ready here first in this wedding book that I'm making. I want to show the girls getting ready first. So I'm going to pick up the pictures of the girls getting ready, and see that blue vertical line that appears? That shows where I'm dumping the new order of the album. I'm going to go grab all girl getting ready pictures, and I'm much happier with that order. The other thing I can do is, if say I like a particular page layout, like I think we all end up with layouts that are our favorites. So for example, let's go and have a look at this one a bit closer. I'm going to close my organized screen thing. I'm going to go to that page and show you that layout. That's beautiful. I've got one picture filling the whole left-hand side of my book, and then I've got placeholders for 5 pictures showing the 5 bridesmaids. Beautiful. I really like that layout. I want to use it again for the groomsmen or for, anything else. I like that one. So I'm going to click on my Organize button. And what I can do is I click on that. I know I've clicked on it when there's a little blue line around it, and I'm going to click the duplicate button. And there you go. You've got it. Then again, I don't want to have it here. Obviously, I'm going to move it to wherever it is in the book, maybe where the boys are. And then I'm going to go and get my boy pictures, and I'm going to edit that picture and pull in whatever pictures I want to show on that page. The other thing you can do is delete pages. So say something's just not working, you can click, you've got the blue ring around it, and you click the delete button and it's gone. The other thing you can do here is you can add pages. If you want more pages in your book, you just click the little add page button here. Keep adding it until you've got enough. The other way I do like to add pages, though, is with the duplicate button, because it's essentially adding a page, but it's doing it in the layout that you want. So that's also a nice way to do that.